Hello kids, welcome to maths class and today we'll do shapes and basic geometrical concepts. So here you can see the room. There are so many different things in this room. You can see a globe, a chair, bed, table, chessboard, ball, everything. They have their own shape. Let's revise. Write the number of triangles in each of the following figure. So here you can see this is an almirah. What is the shape of this almirah? This is a shape of rectangle, or if you talk about a 3D shape, it is of cuboid. Clear? Next, write the number of triangles in each of the following figures. So, number of triangle, here you can see 2 big triangles are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? Next, identify the shape of each of the following. Square shape हो जाएगा. Next, write the number of square in each of the following figures. So, number of square 9. 3 rows है 3 की, तो 9 हो जाएंगे. Next is solid shape. An object that occupies space is called a solid shape. Solids are 3-dimensional objects: cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere, etc. ये 3D shapes होते हैं. They have 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. These are called solids. So this is cube, cuboid, sphere, cone and cylinder. Identify the solid objects that we use in our daily life. So this is cylinder. This is softy, cone shape, geometry box, that is cuboid, joker's cap, that is cone shape, ice cream brick, that is cuboid shape, water bottle, cylinder, almirah, that is cuboid, globe, sphere, calculator, that is also cuboid shape. Next, plane and curved surface. Solids have different type of surface. Some solids have the plane surface while some solids have the curved surface. Some solids have both plane and curved surface. सबकी अलग अलग surface होती है, किसी की plane होती है, किसी की curved होती है. Cuboid and cube have plane surface only, like books, box, etc. They have plane surface only. Sphere जो होती है जैसे कि ball, globe, orange, इन सब की curved surface होती है. Clear? Cylinder and the cone have both plane and curved surface. So plane भी होती है and curve भी होती है. This is the curved surface and this is the plane surface. Faces, edges and vertices of the solids. So first we'll talk about the cuboid. The cuboid have 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Opposite faces of the cuboids are identical or equal. Clear? ये cuboid है. ये faces हो जाएंगी 1, 2, 3, 4 साइड में, 5 पीछे एंड 6 नीचे. 12 edges हो जाएंगे. These are the edges. Total 12 edges होते हैं and these are the vertices. जहाँ पे मीट कर रहे हैं, these are called the vertices. Surface of the solid is called face and edge is formed when 2 surface of faces meet. The point where edges meet, that is called vertex or corner. In cube, there are 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. All faces of square are identical. सारी एक जैसी होती है. Next, cylinder. A cylinder has 1 curve and 2 plane faces. It has 2 curved edges and no vertex. So ये curve face हो गई, ये plane हो जाएगी 2, ये edges हो जाएंगे. Next, cone. A cone has 1 curved surface, 1 plane surface. It has 1 curved edge, 1 vertex. Clear? Next, sphere. A sphere is only 1 curved surface, no edge, no vertex. So here is a comparative table of faces, edges and vertices. Cuboid में 6 faces हो जाएंगी, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cube 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cylinder 1 curved surface and 2 plane surface, 2 edges and 0 vertices. Cone 1 curve and 1 plane surface, 1 edge and 1 vertices. Sphere 1 curved surface, no edges and no vertices. Next is evolution time 8.1. Write the name of 3 objects from your surrounding that have only plane faces. So आप अपने surrounding में, like you can write table. In class you see blackboard, Almira. Clear? Next, write the name of object in your surrounding that have only curve faces. So curve faces like आपके घर में ball होगी and you can write other objects also. Next, write the curved surface and plane surface for each of the following figure. So this figure have only plane. Clear? Next, write the name of 3 objects from your surrounding that have both curved and plane faces. So, जैसे कि birthday cap है, next, fill in the blanks. Sphere has one curved surface. Clear? Next, open and closed figure. Open figure, figure that have 2 endpoint. Start from one point and end from other point. Like here, ये open है, ये starting point है, this is end point. So they have different starting and end point. So all these are open figures. Closed figure, figures that have end at the straight point. They are called closed figure. इसका starting and end point same होगा. They are closed figure. Next, basic geometrical concepts. Points. The point is represented by the small dot. Dot से represent करते हैं, कोई dimension नहीं होगा. It has the position only. It is named with the capital letter of English alphabet like A, B, C, D, P, Q, R. इससे represent करते हैं हम इसको. Next is line. Line has no end point. It can be extended in both direction. दोनों डायरेक्शन में आप कितना भी इसको एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. It is represented by A, B. उसके साथ both side arrow. Means it can be extended in both direction endlessly. It has no definite length. CD is a vertical line. ये vertical line है. This is straight line and this is slant line. Next, line segment. It is the part of line. Line segment means line का एक part. It has 2 endpoint. It has definite length. It is represented by PQ. No arrow. Here P and Q are the endpoints of the given line segment. Clear? Next, ray. Ray has only one endpoint and it can be extended in one direction only. So इसको हम represent करेंगे like ray AB. Because one direction में हम इसको extend कर सकते हैं, तो इसको इस तरीके से represent करेंगे. Next is curved line. A curved line is not the straight, that is called curved line. It has to be made in any direction. जैसे कि ये सारी curved line है. Next is evolution time 8.2. Fill in the blanks. Closed figure have same starting and end point. Next is identify the open and closed figure. So this is a closed figure. Clear? Next, name the line segment on each of these figures and write the type of line segment: straight, vertical and slant. So line segment AB, BD, CD and AC. 4 line segment है. AB and CD, they are horizontal, and AC and BD, they are vertical. Clear? Next is measuring a line segment. We measure a line segment, the length of the line segment with the help of ruler या scale. Like AB here is a line segment. Place the ruler along the line segment AB such that 0 mark of the ruler is at the one end point A, and now read the reading on the scale where B reaches. So what we'll do? We'll take the scale and जो 0 mark है वो हम A पे रखेंगे, and B में हम जहाँ पे B start हो रहा है वहाँ पे हम देखेंगे स्केल में क्या रीडिंग है. That would be the length. Here it is 5.3 centimeter. Next, constructing a line segment of given length. Construct a line segment of 3.3 centimeters. तो step क्या होंगे? Take a ruler, place it on paper, mark a point A on 0. हमने 0 पे एक point mark किया A. Now हम देखेंगे 3 सेंटीमीटर जहाँ पे भी है वहाँ पे दूसरा point mark करेंगे, name it B. So we'll take the scale and place it on paper. Now we'll mark a point at 0. 0 पे हम एक point mark करेंगे, that would be the point A. Now हम scale में देखेंगे 3.3 है. So 3 के बाद 3 small division और लेंगे और वहाँ पे point mark करेंगे, that would be the point B. Join A and B, that would be our required line segment of 3.3 centimeter. Next is evolution time 8.3. Measuring the length of each line segment. So you have to take the scale and measure the length of these line segment and write their measurement. With the help of ruler and pencil, draw the line segment of given length. So ये आपको जो भी measurement दे रखा है उसके according आपको line segment draw करना है. Next, measure the length of each side of the following figure and write the name and shape. So आपको इनकी जो length है वो measure करके यहाँ पे लिखनी है. This is a triangle shape. Next, tangram. Tangram is an old Chinese puzzle consisting of the square which is broken up into various geometrical shape. एक जो square होता है उसको अलग अलग geometrical shape में divide करते हैं. Mainly will divide into 7 parts. There are 2 types of tangram, a 7-piece tangram and 5-piece tangram. दोनों तरह के होते हैं. Using the piece tangram, interesting shapes of the animal, people, objects can be formed. तो इस तरीके से जैसे ये 7-piece tangrams है, 2 triangles हैं and 2 small 1 big triangles, एक पैरेललोग्राम होगा, स्क्वायर होगा, ये स्मॉल ट्राइंगल्स हो जाएंगे. इस तरीके से अलग अलग पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे 1 रेक्टेंगल. क्लियर? यहाँ पे ये 5-piece tangram है. वी कैन यूज दिस tangram टू मेक दीज काइंड ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग शेप. यू शुड ऑल्सो ट्राई एट होम. इस तरीके की शेप आप बना सकते हैं यूजिंग दीज tangrams. नेक्स्ट, इवोल्यूशन टाइम 8.4. Identify the following shapes. This is a shape of bird. Next, using the piece of tangram, draw the following shape. So, आपको tangram का use करके ये जो shape है वो draw करना है. किस तरीके से आप उससे बनाएंगे. Next, look back. An object that occupies space is called solid, like cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, etc. A solid can have the plane and curved surface. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cylinder has 1 curved face, 2 plane surface and 2 curved edges. A cone has 1 curve, 1 plane surface, 1 curved edges and 1 vertex. A sphere has only 1 curved surface. An edge is formed when 2 surfaces or faces meet. A point where 2 edges meet is called the vertex or corner. Surface of the solid is called face. Figure that have 2 end points are called the open figure. Next, figure that end at the starting point is called the closed figure. A point has no dimension, it is denoted by the capital letter. A line has no end point, it can be extended in both directions, it has no definite length. Line segment is the part of line, it has 2 end point and definite length. Ray has 1 end point, it can be extended in one direction only, it has no definite length. Line segments are drawn with the help of scale. Tangram is the Chinese puzzle. It has 5 pieces, 7 pieces, many shapes, animals and people can be formed by the pieces of tangram. Next is mental zone. All faces of cube are identical. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. Tangram has 7 pieces. So C correct option है. यहाँ पे चैप्टर एंड होता है. आई होप चैप्टर आपको समझ में आ गया है. नाउ टू प्रैक्टिस इट.